In this video, I'm going to walk you through our campaign template feature. Now, these campaign templates are going to be ready to go, pre-built inside your system the moment you sign up. Now, if you're not an expert copywriter or you just hate the thought of having to sit down and write out all your drip sequences, then we've got you covered. Now, in order to take advantage of these pre-built sequences, you're going to go to our campaign templates section. And then you're going to choose your industry. Now, at the moment that I'm recording this video, you'll see we have a few different industries in here, but we'll continually add more. Now, let's just say in this example, you're an insurance agent. You would choose insurance from the dropdown. Then our system is going to preload all the drip sequences that we already have built out for you. You'll see a convenient title. You'll see a description of when you should use the campaign, and we're also going to explain to you how long this campaign lasts. In this example, this is a new client welcome campaign. It tells you when to use it. You use this after you sign up a new client, and it lasts for 11 days. Now, if you wanted to take advantage of any of these pre-built sequences, you would just hit Create Campaign. The system's going to take a few seconds, and then it is going to preload that drip sequence for you. So here we go, day 1, day 4, day 11. It's going to pre-build it out for you. All the messaging is there. If you want to make some quick edits to it, you can do so. If you want to add additional options or communication options like video, email, or a call bridge, you can make any edits you want. But the bottom line is the hard work is done for you. If everything looks good, you've made your edits, you're just going to start that campaign and start adding contacts. So if you fear copywriting and you don't want to spend your time creating this text and emails and all that junk, we've got you covered. You're going to love this feature.